When it comes to professional-grade projectors, the Sharp NEC Display NP-PA804UL-W-41 stands out as a true powerhouse. This is not just a standard projector for casual use. It's designed for large venues, high-end presentations, and professional installations where every detail matters. One of the first things that catches your attention is the 8,200 lumen brightness. That amount of light ensures that images remain sharp, clear, and vibrant even in spaces with significant ambient light. Paired with NEC's 3 LCD technology, color accuracy is maintained throughout, with rich, natural tones that avoid the washed-out look common in less capable projectors. The design is minimalistic yet functional. Its white finish allows it to blend seamlessly into professional environments, while the wall-mountable design helps save space and provides a clean, unobtrusive installation. Beyond looks, this projector is engineered for performance. Cooling systems are efficient, and noise levels are kept impressively low, so even long presentations or extended viewing sessions are free from distracting fan noise. Performance-wise, the NP-PA804UL-W-41 is impressive. The 16:10 aspect ratio provides a wide, immersive visual field, ideal for presentations, films, or interactive applications. With WUXGA resolution, 1920 by 1200, the clarity of text, graphics, and video is exceptional. The 3D ready capability adds an extra layer of versatility, allowing for immersive visuals when needed. The laser light source is another standout feature, delivering consistent brightness over tens of thousands of hours. Unlike traditional lamp-based projectors, there is minimal maintenance and no color degradation over time. Startup is instant, and the longevity of the system reduces overall operational costs. Connectivity is thorough and versatile. HDMI, DisplayPort, VGA, and LAN options allow it to integrate with nearly any device or AV system. For larger installations, multiple projectors can be connected in tandem for seamless visual expansion. The advanced image adjustment features, including keystone correction and geometry calibration, make it easy to achieve perfectly aligned visuals even in less than ideal projection conditions. Edge blending and projection mapping support expand the creative possibilities, making it suitable for exhibitions, auditoriums, and high-end installations. Reliability is a hallmark of this projector. Designed for continuous operation, it excels in environments like classrooms, museums, corporate auditoriums, or control centers where uptime is critical. It's engineered to provide consistent performance day after day, maintaining high-quality visuals even under heavy usage. The combination of laser-powered brightness, accurate colors, quiet operation, and professional-grade design makes this projector a standout in its class. It doesn't rely on flashy gimmicks. Instead, it delivers dependable performance and exceptional image quality every time. Whether for high-detail presentations, immersive 3D content, or professional installations, the NP-PA804UL-W-41 is built to impress. In the end, this projector is for those who need high performance, reliability, and stunning visuals in a single package. Every element, from the laser light engine to the flexible connectivity and calibration features, is optimized to deliver a premium experience. For professionals who demand the best in brightness, color accuracy, and long-term dependability, the Sharp NEC NP-PA804UL-W-41 is a clear choice. If you're ready to take your projection setup to the next level, this projector provides everything you need for professional, immersive, and long-lasting performance.